Hello guys and welcome back to AMH Tech SL. Most of us use Microsoft Office products in our day-to-day life. And due to the high pricing of the Microsoft Office suite, many of us are forced to use the cracked version of the application. Most of the time, we download cracked versions of the software from unofficial websites. So we don't know how the application was cracked, and we also don't know if the cracked version of the application is embedded with a virus or a spyware. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install the genuine Microsoft Office suite for free on your computer directly from the official Microsoft webpage. So before we start the video, make sure to have a stable internet connection and around 3 to 4 GB of data from your internet service provider. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to press the subscribe button and please do press the bell icon to receive notifications on the new videos I post. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in this video, we will be downloading and installing the Office 365 E5. So you can use this Office account up to 5 PCs or Macs or 5 tablets or 5 phones per account. So the original price of this package is $38 per user per month. So let's see what it has to offer us. So it includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, SharePoint, OneDrive and Microsoft Teams. So there are some benefits unique to Office 365 E5. So you can go through this website. So I will link it in the description. Let's check whether our PC meets the requirements. So if you are using a Windows computer, the processor should be 1.6 GHz or faster and it should be a 2-core processor. If you are using a Mac OS, an Intel processor. If you are using Windows, the minimum supported Windows is Windows 8.1. And the Office for Mac is supported on the 3 most recent versions of Mac OS. And the required memory is 4 GB RAM or a 2 GB RAM. And you would need 4 GB of available hard disk space if you are using a Windows and 10 GB of available space if you are using a Mac OS. So that's the main requirement that we need to install this software. So first thing you will have to do is head over to your Chrome web browser. So in your search engine, search for Microsoft Developer and next click on the first search result you receive. Next scroll down and click on Microsoft 365. Next scroll down and then join the Microsoft 365 Developer Program by clicking the Join Today button. In the next page, click on Join Now. Next, let's sign into our Microsoft account. Alright, so now let's select our country. So I'll be selecting Sri Lanka and then provide a company's name. So I'll be providing it with Techie Zone. So make sure to remember the company's name which you are entering. So I will copy it to my notepad. Now select the language preference, so I'm selecting it as English, the default value, and accept the terms and conditions of the Microsoft 365 developer program, and then click on next. And as what is your primary focus as a developer, so I want to create custom solutions, and then click on next, and next click on Microsoft Teams, and then click on save. Alright, so after we have done that, now click on configurable sandbox, and then click on next. After that, you will have to choose your region. So my region is already set. Next, choose your username. So create a username which you are able to remember. So I'll choose as okay, and then a domain. So let me copy the username to the notepad. Okay, so the domain, let me create it as AMHTechSL, right? And then let's create, oh, our domain name is already taken, so let me use something else. So since I used TechieZone as my company name, so let's see whether it has the domain as TechieZone. Right, so our domain name is ready. So let's create a super memorable password. So let me enter the password. Right, and then click on continue, and then add your phone number. And then click on setup. Alright, we have successfully created our Microsoft 365 developer subscription. So this is your email ID. So now click on go to subscription, and next enter the account for the new developer account. So you will see this welcome message, so let's click on next and click on the tick mark, and then under install apps click on Microsoft 365 apps, and then click on save to download the setup file. In the subscription page you can see that it is available for 90 days, but the developer license will be renewed once you use the applications. Before installing the Office application, let's click on the start menu and open the control panel. Right. Once the control panel is open, click on programs and features. And next you will have to uninstall the Microsoft Office which you have already installed. So if you haven't installed, you can skip this step and go to the next step. To install Office on your PC, double-click the office.exe file that we downloaded. It will prompt you for administrator privileges. Click yes and wait for it to initialize. Alright, we have successfully downloaded and installed the Office 365. Now click on Close. Now click on the Start menu and then click on any Microsoft applications like Word or Excel or even PowerPoint. So I will be clicking Word. Alright, so to activate the Microsoft Office 365, you will have to enter the email which we got from the developer account. So this is our email address. So let's copy this and paste it in the email field. Alright, so now let's click on next. So it will prompt you for your password. So let's click on sign in and OK. And let's wait for it to register the device with the Microsoft servers. Alright, we have successfully activated our Office 365. Now click on Close. Now let's click on Blank Document and click File and then Account to check activation status. And you are now using a genuine Office 365 Enterprise subscription for a lifetime. Thank you for watching my videos, and please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.